How to fix Windows can't connect to this network error in Windows 11. 1. Check then update the network drivers on Windows 11, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back the network drivers, if you can. 2. Uninstall current network drivers. 3. Disable IPv6. 4. Disable and enable the wireless network adapter. 5. Release the IP and flush the DNS cache in command prompt. Commands include netshare winsock reset netshare in IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flush and 6. Reset Windows network configuration via the network reset option. 7. Use the network troubleshooter. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. 9. Restart or reset the router.